money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really.
Want to create viral AI dance videos like this? No skills needed, just your image, a short prompt, and HitPaw Edimakor. In this video, I'll show you how to make stunning AI dance videos in just minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't installed it yet, click the download link in the description. Once it's installed, open the software and click on New Project to begin. Step 2. Create an AI dance video. Now, head over to the left panel, click AI Video, then select AI Effects. Here you'll see a variety of effects you can use, like AI Kiss, AI Hug, Ghibli-style video, and more. For this tutorial, we'll use the AI dance templates. There are many styles to choose from. Just upload your image, no prompt needed, and boom. Your AI dance video is ready. You can also customize it yourself. Simply choose the generation model, upload your image, and write a prompt. You can also choose the duration and resolution of the video. Once everything looks perfect, click Generate. If you're not sure how to write the perfect prompt, you can even let AI help you out. Step 3. Advanced editing and export. To get even better results, add some background music and visual effects to make your video more appealing. Once you're happy with it, click Export, choose the resolution, and export your final AI dance video. And that's it! In just a few easy steps, you've created an AI dance video that's ready to go viral. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials and creative tools. Download HitPaw Edimakor today. The link is in the description. See you in the next video.